Airpods could soon add a new way to help Siri understand what's happening around you. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple could release camera-equipped AirPods later this year. The prediction is based on code found in the iOS 27 beta releases that reference a device called B790. Since it's already August, that means we could see camera-equipped AirPods in the next few months. These AirPods are meant to be Apple's first AI-focused wearable product. So rather than capturing photos or videos, the cameras would function as visual sensors, giving Siri more context about what's happening around the user. AirPods are liked for their compact, lightweight design, so adding cameras could make the earbuds bulkier, leaving us wondering if they'll stay on during workouts. There's also the question of how the cameras will work and if the users need to point their heads in a specific direction for the cameras to capture what Siri needs to see. Will the AirPods need another device with a screen to confirm exactly what the cameras are seeing? Privacy is another question Apple will likely have to address. Wearable devices with built-in cameras, including Meta's smart glasses, have drawn criticism over concerns that people could be photographed or recorded without their knowledge or consent. Price is another unanswered question. The AirPods 4 earbuds start at $129, while the AirPods Max, the company's over-ear headphones, sell for $549. Depending on how much the camera hardware changes the AirPods design, a new camera-equipped model could end up costing even more than the AirPods Max. The company has historically used its fall iPhone events to introduce major AirPods updates. However, Apple has also announced audio products outside its September events, so a different launch window remains possible. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.